Did you know you can control your phone just by moving your head? No joke. This hidden feature is built into iOS and I'm going to show you guys how to activate it. For our first step, you're going to want to open settings and tap accessibility. Once you open settings, you should see a screen like this. You're going to want to go ahead and locate accessibility. We're going to want to access that. And here in accessibility, this is where Apple hides some of its most powerful features for us to use. For our next step, we're going to want to go to switch control. So now that we're in our accessibility screen from the last step, we're going to want to scroll down. You're going to want to go ahead and locate switch control. Go ahead and click on that. Now here in switch control, you can see all these options. We're going to want to locate switches. Click on that. And now here we have all of our options in the switches tab. We're going to want to go ahead and we're going to go add a new switch. For our next step, we're going to be adding a new switch. So on the switches screen, we're going to click add new switch. On here, you should see a bunch of different options, sources. We're going to want to locate camera. Go ahead and access camera. Then we'll see these two options, head gestures or hand gestures. Let's make it a head gesture at the top. Then we have left hand movement or right head movement. Let's go ahead and choose this as a left head movement. And then here you can see all the actions that we could choose from. If you want, you can go ahead and scroll through all the different options. But I'm going to go back up and we're going to locate home. I'm going to choose that. And then as you see, we have a left head movement switch made. Now we can go ahead at the bottom underneath it, go ahead and click add new switch. Then once we're on this screen, go ahead and click camera again. Let's go to head gestures again. Oh, excuse me for that. And then go ahead and click right head movement this time. And then I'm going to go ahead and choose select item at the top. Click that. And now you can see we have two switches made. One that is a home action and the other one's a select item action. For this last step, we're going to want to go and turn on switch control. Now that we assigned our actions and we created our switches, all that's left now for us to do is back out of switch control. You're going to, at the top, see switch control. We're going to want to go ahead and activate that. Go and turn that on. Now as you see, an important message pops up. Go ahead and read that if you want. Click OK. You also should see a blue outline all around our screen. That is letting us know that our phone is tracking movements now. So all the actions we made, if we back out, I went ahead and turned my head left, sent me back to the home screen as you can see. And now as I'm turning my head right, it's going ahead and moving, selecting items. And here you can just go ahead and play with it until you feel comfortable. And as you see, it's still doing its thing. And yeah, guys, that's really it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If this video did help you and blew your mind, please smash that like button. Also, feel free to subscribe to the channel. It'll help us out a great amount. We're going to continue dropping hidden iPhone tricks every single day. So stay tuned. And that's Nerd Kernel out.